If you're thinking about remodeling your bathroom yourself, you're in the right place. Let's break down what to expect, from cost and planning to timeline. Bathroom remodels aren't just about looks. Before you start, check local permit rules, since many areas require approvals or even pass proficiency exams before starting the work. Avoid major plumbing or electrical changes, since you'll likely need to hire a professional for that. If you're wondering how much a bathroom remodel costs when you do the work yourself, use these ranges for a rough estimate. Your actual expenses may vary. A bathroom refresh can cost between $200 and $5,000 and might include painting, updating fixtures, or replacing a vanity or mirror. A mid-level DIY bathroom remodel can cost $5,000 to $15,000 and may include new fixtures, plumbing, wiring, or layout changes. A major DIY bathroom remodel typically costs more than $15,000 and can include layout changes, major plumbing or electrical work, and bathroom fixtures. DIY remodels can save money, but smart planning is key. Research local home values, make a plan and budget, but set aside 10% for surprises like mold or subfloor damage. Every remodel is different, but planning ahead helps avoid surprises. 6 months before the remodel, you should research local building codes and permits and start collecting design ideas. At 4 months before the renovation, draw up a floor plan, list your materials, and build a detailed budget. When you only have 3 months before your start date, it's time to finalize your selections and place orders. At 1 month out, it's important to find storage space, arrange for a dumpster, and plan how you'll use the bathroom during the project. When there's only 1 week before the renovation, make sure you take before photos, clear out the space, protect any nearby areas, and let neighbors know about the remodel. After the remodel, make sure all work meets code and passes inspection. Clean the site thoroughly, including the air vents. Review and store all warranties in a safe place. Pay any remaining bills, and keep copies of all your receipts. Whether you're doing a quick refresh or a full remodel, Lowe's has everything you need, from tools and materials to expert advice and installation services. Visit Lowes.com or stop by your local store to get started on your bathroom project today.